Hi everyone, welcome to this new series of YouTube video where I will be talking about topics related to the cybersecurity cloud computing industry. Today's topic is about Web Application Firewall, or what we call it WAF. If you're running a business today, you certainly almost have a digital front door. It's either going to be an e-commerce store, your customer portal, or the application that your partner use to do business with you. But here's the thing about the digital front doors. Unlike the physical ones, they can't be closed at 5 p.m. They have to be open to the entire world all the time. Think of this as a very busy office building downtown. You want customers, partners, and employees coming in freely. But you don't want troublemakers to wandering and coming into the CEO office or the server. What do you do in the physical world? You hire a security professional that sits in the lobby. They greet the good folks and they stop the bad ones. Today, I'll be talking about the equivalent of the digital security professional, the Web Application Firewall. So why is this critical now? The reality is your front door is under constant pressure. The reality is not just sophisticated hackers in a hoodie targeting your specific company. The bigger problem here is an automated noise. There are bots scanning the internet and rattling every doorknob they find, looking for an easy way in. They are looking for vulnerabilities in your code, like SQL injection or maybe cross-site scripting, that they can exploit to steal data or maybe take your site offline. And when that happens, it's not just about an IT ticket. It's a reputational damage, maybe a lost revenue during downtime, and more importantly, it's losing the customer trust, which is a very hard to earn back. And this is where the modern web application changed the game. It's not just like a network filter, it's a very intelligent shield that sits in front of your web application. So going back to our lobby analogy, a WAF is a hyper-intelligent security guard that can scan thousands of IDs per second. It knows very well what a normal behavior of a customer looks like, and of course it knows what a malicious attack pattern looks like. It allows legitimate traffic to pass through seamlessly, ensuring a great user experience. But if it sees something odd is happening, trying to inject code into your login field, for example, the WAF steps in and block it at the edge, way before it touches your sensitive data. I don't want to just sit here and tell you about this. I really want to show you what it looks like in practice. Alright, so for this demonstration, I'll be using some tools. The first one is Terraform, which is an infrastructure as code. I'll be coding my infrastructure and spinning up everything and deploying to the cloud. And for my cloud provider, I'll be using GCP. And of course, for the web application firewall, we'll be using Google Cloud Armor, which has the feature web application firewall, and we'll be using this for this practice. For anyone curious about the code and the technical process behind this demonstration, I will provide a GitHub link to the repository and you can follow along with a very detailed README. This demonstration is not technical, so I'll just show the workflow for a website behind a web firewall. Right, so this is the demo website, just a normal HTML page. Here, if I'm going to put a query equal to hello. When I type it, just you tell me that I search for hello. On the other hand, if I'm going to try to do any type of malicious attack behavior, which is, for example, here, I did the query an SQL injection in the URL. So if I'm going to do enter, I will get the 403 forbidding request, and this is how the web application firewall is blocking my request to the HTML page. Implementing WAF is not just about buying a new security tool. It's more about an investment in business resilience. It means you're protecting your revenue streams from downtime caused by the automated attacks. It also means that you meet the requirements for compliance, like PCI or GDPR, showing your customer that you take their data very seriously. And more importantly, it frees your development team. Instead of patching some emergency security holes, they can focus on building new feature that grows your business, knowing they have a very secure net in place. And if you're not sure if your digital front door are probably protected, let's have a conversation. I can review your architecture and make sure to have the necessary shields in place. Thank you for watching.